All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be putting on the new OEM mud flaps for the Tesla Model S. Now, I do have a Model S Plaid, but it should be the same for the Model S and the Model S Plaid. It doesn't matter. It didn't say Plaid when I bought them. But I took off the front and rear mud flaps that I had on here previously that I bought on Amazon, and I just threw them away. They were like $35, $36, something like, I don't remember, but the OEM mud flaps are only 40 bucks. So I took those off because they kept scraping and scraping and scraping. And they would come loose, they would pop off sometimes, and they don't flex. So the OEM ones, they're flat, and I think they flex. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. Here they are, this is how they come in the box. And so, yeah, see, they have movement. They have movement like that. So if I hit a curve or something like that, it's gonna flex. So that is what I was like, this is horrible. And this is what you get in the box. This is how it came to me. I just popped it open. So you get some longer little rivets here to put on there, 2 on each side, and that should be it. So this isn't like a major install I'm gonna show. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these on real quick. I'm gonna raise the car up really high so I can put them on and get under the car. And this is what you get if you decide to buy the OEM version of these mud flaps. And again, I think these are gonna be great because they flop around. So if I run over a curve or a speed bump, it won't pull backwards and almost pop these out. So let's put them on, and then I'll give you a follow-up with these later on down the line. But now let's just get them on the car. All right, guys, grab a flathead screwdriver, a long one if you can. And I raised the car up so I could see under the car better. I just put it to the extra high height and grab my flathead screwdriver. And then after you do that, all you need to do is pop out 2 little rivets on each side, and that's it, man. It's really quick, super simple, and you just put on the new mud flaps. This is an easy installation and requires no skill whatsoever. There it is. This is gonna flex, so I really like these. But putting it on, it just snaps into place, man. It literally is that easy. Snap the top one in first, I suggest, and then snap in the bottom one, and that's it. It's quick. That's it. This is much lower than the ones I bought on Amazon. These are gonna flex. That is really low to the ground. All right, guys, quick install. Those are gonna sit so much lower. Now, that was the car at the lowest setting. So that's the way I drive the car in low. By default, it'll raise back up to medium if you don't mess with it, because it only goes to low when you're driving really fast. So I like to drive in low because I like to just be lower to the ground. But nonetheless, it's a different look than those other ones I bought off of Amazon. The ones I bought off of Amazon kind of catch the air from the front. It's like a scoop facing, and it was on the front and the rear. According to Tesla, you just need the front. So we'll see how this works out. There are a lot of other mud flaps you could buy out there, but I just decided to do the OEM just to keep it Tesla. I did the other ones. I don't want to keep wasting money, so buy the OEM ones. Those have a longer stem on it when you're putting it back in there. The ones that come on the car are pretty short, so I like how it looks. I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. It's just it's more of the car exposed on the sides opposed to the other ones, those aftermarket ones that you get on Amazon and other eBay and all those other places. But I like the look. It is definitely much lower, much lower. The mud flap is much lower than the ones I bought off Amazon. But I like how this looks. So I'm gonna keep these on here. Hopefully they last. I've seen people say they last about 30,000 miles, and they took them. Well, they didn't break it 30,000 miles, but I saw one guy review them, and he had them on his car for 30,000 miles, and he decided to switch to a different brand. that didn't move and that weren't so low to the ground. But I'm gonna stick with what Tesla says on this to get the best efficiency and just keep it OEM for now. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy Tesla mud flaps. What do you think about those? Are they too low to the ground? Do you have them? Let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Take care.